Join me as I challenge myself to learn English through the wildest animal stories I can find. Part 1. The Clever Crow. Once upon a time, on a very hot summer day, a little crow flew over a dry forest. The sun was shining brightly, and the ground below was cracked and dusty. The poor crow was very thirsty.
I need water.
The crow said to itself. After flying for hours, the crow spotted a small clay pot under a tree. Inside the pot, the crow saw some water, but there was a problem. The water was too low, and the crow's beak could not reach it. At first, the crow tried to tip the pot over, but it was too heavy. Then the crow thought for a moment. If I cannot tip the pot, maybe I can raise the water instead. So the clever bird picked up little pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pot. Slowly, the water began to rise. Finally, the crow could drink the cool, refreshing water.
Delicious! My brain saved my life today,
said the crow happily. Lesson: sometimes intelligence is more powerful than strength. Part 2. The Brave Little Mouse. In another part of the forest, a lion was sleeping under a tree. His golden mane sparkled in the sunlight, and his loud snores echoed through the woods. A tiny mouse ran across the lion's paw. The lion woke up immediately.
Roar! Who dares disturb my sleep?
The mouse trembled.
Almighty lion, please forgive me. Please, let me go, and I promise I will help you one day.
The lion laughed loudly. You? Help me? You are so small. How can a little mouse ever help the king of the jungle? But the lion was feeling generous, so he let the mouse go. A few weeks later, hunters set a trap for the lion. They tied him up with strong ropes. The lion roared and struggled, but the ropes were too tight. Just then, the little mouse heard his cries. Without hesitation, the mouse rushed over and began to chew the ropes with his sharp little teeth. Snap, snap, snap. Soon the lion was free. The lion looked at the mouse with respect. Today, you saved my life. I was wrong to laugh at you. Even the smallest friend can be the biggest help. Lesson: never underestimate someone because of their size. Now let's travel to the savannah. There lived an elephant named Ellie. Ellie was strong and kind, but she had a little problem. She was very forgetful. One day, Ellie's monkey friend asked, "Ellie, can you help me carry some bananas tomorrow?" Ellie smiled. "Of course, monkey, I will remember." But the next day, Ellie forgot. She walked around happily playing with butterflies, while Monkey sat sadly under a tree with his heavy bananas. The same thing happened again with the zebra, the giraffe, and even the birds. Everyone began to say, "Oh, Ellie is kind, but she never remembers her promises." One morning, a fire started in the savannah. The animals panicked. "Help! We need water!" they cried. Ellie suddenly remembered a hidden river she had seen long ago. She ran to the river, filled her trunk with water, and sprayed it over the flames again and again until the fire was gone. The animals cheered. "Ellie, you saved us!" Ellie blushed. "Well, maybe I forget small things, but I'll never forget to protect my friends." Lesson: everyone has weaknesses, but everyone also has special strengths.